Hi everyone, this is Dixie from Seymour Library, and today we have a question from Cheryl who wondered about how to prune her lilac bush. So, here's what you do. It's got its spent blooms here, and you just take it right up to where this branch is here, take it there, take it there, and you don't want to cut off too much because it's going to be setting new blooms towards the spring. So you don't want to take up too much so it doesn't do it. But here it is, right there. And you want to pretty it up so it looks good. So you don't want to leave too many stalks. There you go. John has a question about watering his dogwood. It's newly planted, and he was concerned there were brown tips on the ends. Is he giving it too much water or not enough? I'd say in this particular time of the year, too much water is not enough. You really need to water all the time, especially when you have newly planted shrubs, trees, plants. Doesn't matter. All those roots, those fibrous roots, need that water. So what you can do is you can do a watering well. So what you do is you just make a circle like this around your newly planted whatever you got, and that makes sure that the water stays where you want it to go. If I were to water this without doing that, it would probably just run down the hill. So this will keep the water right in there, and then you can push the soil back up again. Or you can keep it the way it is, continue to water. Just make sure you don't get down near the roots. And a good way to water, to make sure your water goes where you want it to go, is to use a watering wand. This delivers a ton of water in a small amount of time, so you don't have to stand there using a traditional hose nozzle. So you just water in here. It's good to get in here to the roots like that. And there you are.